Morning. Law enforcement sources say the FBI is trying to get the technology infrastructure in place to sort through these thousands of new emails that they want to review. We're told that the emails were discovered earlier this month, but FBI Director James Comey says he didn't find out about them until last Thursday.
Step back.
CBS News has learned that FBI Director James Comey has been calling members of Congress who've demanded that he release more information about the review of the new emails. Comey is under fire for making the disclosure 11 days before the election.
How are the voters, how is the public supposed to respond to this? And there's simply no way for the public to make an informed judgment.
Democratic Congressman Adam Schiff says Friday's announcement broke agency protocol.
This violates the Department of Justice policy against speaking about open or closed investigations, but also the DOJ policy against speaking about an investigation this close to an election.
In a letter addressed to the FBI director Sunday, Democratic Senator Harry Reid accused Comey of partisan actions and alleged that he may have broken the law by violating the Hatch Act. It bans most federal and some other government employees from participating in political activities that could help or hurt a partisan group or candidate in a partisan election. Investigators seized the laptop belonging to longtime Clinton aide Huma Abedin and estranged husband Anthony Weiner during a separate alleged communication with an underage girl. Against the guidance of Attorney General Loretta Lynch, Comey sent a vaguely worded letter to Congress Friday saying that he didn't know whether or not this material may be significant. CBS News has learned the FBI deliberated over whether to disclose the information. Officials debated whether they'd be accused of trying to manipulate the election by hiding the renewed investigation if criminal evidence was found. A person familiar with the process says officials ultimately concluded that the letter was the most credible approach after Comey pledged to inform Congress if anything new came up related to the investigation into Clinton's use of the private email server.
We would certainly look at any new and substantial information.
We commend the FBI and the director on their decision to keep their word.
Over the weekend, Vice Presidential candidate Mike Pence praised Comey's decision.
What the decision this week showed is even 11 days before an election, no one is above the law.
Law enforcement sources say that Abedin is cooperating and seems surprised that the emails were on the laptop. Gail?